Hello everyone, my name is Goda. I am one of the product managers here at HARTING. And in today's video, we want to explain to you guys what an industrial connector is. But first, we have to get back to the basics and talk about what a regular connector is. A connector provides a quick electrical connect and disconnect between devices and equipment. We use connectors every single day, whether it's connecting your phone to its charger, connecting an appliance to the wall outlet in the kitchen, or plugging an Ethernet line to your computer. Now let's talk about how connectors work. In order for devices to function properly, there needs to be a reliable electrical connection from point A to point B. There are two ways to do this. One of them is called hardwiring. This is a permanent connection between two devices or equipment. However, this is not recommended because it's not easy to then disconnect those two devices or pieces of equipment. To understand why connectors are important, think about your cell phone. One of the best features of the cell phone is that it is mobile. You're able to very quickly connect it to charge up and very quickly disconnect it when it's ready to go. This concept of quick connection and disconnection is just as important in the industrial industry as it is for you and I in our daily lives. Imagine having to take 5 minutes every time your phone needs a charge to connect every single wire. And then when you have to go, you have to take another 5 minutes to disconnect each and every single wire. To understand a connector, you also need to understand the cable. So for instance, this charging cable, if you were to cut it open, you would see what we call conductors. These are copper, sometimes aluminum, wires that are jacketed and then bundled up into a larger overall jacket. And in high-speed applications, there are also fiber optic cables made out of glass or plastic that can transfer light signals from one end to the other. Now let's talk about termination. Termination is the process by which you take a conductor and attach it to the connector. There are various termination methods, and we'll be talking more about those in later videos. Unlike our phone connectors, industrial connectors are made for industrial applications. These applications include robotics, machinery, transportation, and much more. They are built on the same basic principles as our everyday connectors, but are tailored for the industrial environment. For example, they could be transmitting higher power, faster data speeds, or be made out of more robust materials that help protect it from harsh environments. That was a quick overview of what an electrical connector is. Watch more videos to learn more about the HARTING Han Rectangular Connector series.